Hey everyone, Jenna from Apex, and today I'm here to walk you through the installation process for our threaded drop-in barrel for the FN509. Please be aware this installation may be a little difficult, so if you find yourself having any trouble, we highly recommend you take it to a competent gunsmith. Our Apex drop-in barrel for the FN509 will include the thread protector and O-ring, as well as a recoil assembly. To remove the factory barrel from the FN509 slide, you're going to want to turn your slide over, remove the recoil spring by pulling to the side and up. To remove the barrel, you're going to want to lift forward and then pull up and back. Whew, that was rough. To install our Apex barrel, you're going to want to first remove the thread protector and then put it right into the slide. There you go. I want to put that recoil assembly back in. And then the thread protector goes back on. Whew. And there you go. As you can see, the installation was a little bit of a struggle and it can get pretty difficult. So if you have any questions, definitely don't hesitate to give us a call here in customer service. Thank you. Bye.
Psst, if you call, ask for Doug or John.